group and NRLM program.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that Gabriel K. Iangrai, Commandant of Elite Special Forces 10, was arrested in connection with the construction of some buildings allotted to the police department. Speaking to reporters, Sangma said further inquiry will take place and the law will take its own course. He said there are some allegations of misutilization of funds and based on an FIR lodged by the police department, permission sought was granted by the government to pursue that. Iangrai, who was the former Assistant Inspector General of Police Administration, was arrested from his residence following a raid on Wednesday.
This is a completely different concern and different issue. This is regarding the construction of one of the buildings that was allotted to the police department. Hence now the process is on. The inquiry will take place. Investigations will take place. The law will take its own course. And based on that, whatever has to be done, it will be as per the laws that have been laid down.
4 persons were arrested by the police for the